हेलो दोस्तों, आज जो है हम क्वांटिटेटिव एबिलिटी के क्वेश्चन को देखेंगे। तो क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 है, ए सिंगल कोट बैड इज़ मार्क्ड एट ₹8,500। द शॉपकीपर अलाउज सक्सेसिव डिस्काउंट ऑफ 10%, 6% एंड 4% ऑन इट। व्हाट इज़ द नेट सेलिंग प्राइस? तो नेट सेलिंग प्राइस है 6,903.36, राइट। तो ये करेक्ट आंसर है। और एक्सप्लेनेशन देखते हैं। मार्क प्राइस MP ऑफ द सिंगल कोट बेड ₹8,500, then price after a discount of 10%, 8,500 minus 10% of MP, राइट। तो फिर 8,500 माइनस 10 अपॉन में 100 इंटू में 8,500, राइट। 8,500 इंटू में 8,500 इजकल टू आएगा 8,500 माइनस 850, ठीक है। 850 देन आएगा 7,650। then price after a further discount of 6%, then 7,650 minus 6% of 7,650, 7,650 minus 6 upon 100 into my 7,650, right? Okay, then I got 650 minus 459 rupees, जाएगा 7,191, right? Price after a further discount of 4%, then we will हम इसे भी उसी प्रकार से करेंगे जैसे पहले कर रहे थे। इसमें 7,191 को माइनस कर देंगे 4% ऑफ 7,191 का, और फिर उसके बाद जो है 7,191 माइनस 4 अपन में 100 इंटू में 7,191, ठीक है, इजकल टू 7,191 माइनस 287.64, राइट। देन यह आ जाएगा 6,903.36, राइट। The price of single coat bed after successive discount of 10%, 6% and 4% rupees 6,903.36, right. Then question number 2 देखते हैं। Arun and Meena recently celebrated their golden anniversary, 5th anniversary, and their daughter Seema's birthday. If the age of Seema is 18 years after her parents' marriage and her age at their golden anniversary is in the ratio 5:5:21 में है, how many years after the marriage was Seema born? 8 years होता है करेक्ट आंसर। और इसकी एक्सप्लेनेशन देखते हैं। लेट्स द एज ऑफ सीमा 18 years आफ्टर हर पेरेंट्स मैरिज बी 5K years, therefore age of Seema at golden anniversary of her parents 5K plus 32 years. Then according to the question 5K upon में 5K plus 32 is equal to में 5 upon में 21 into 5K, ये 21 इसको चला गया, देन इक्वल टू 5 इंटू में 5K प्लस 32, दैन 105K इक्वल टू 25K प्लस 160। अब देखते रहिएगा साथ के साथ 105K माइनस 25K देन इक्वल टू आ गया 160, देन आएगा 80K इक्वल टू 160, राइट। देन आएगा K इक्वल टू 160 अपन में 80, देन K इक्वल टू 2। नाउ एज ऑफ सीमा इक्वल टू 5K, 5 into 2 is equal to 10, right? So Seema's age was 10 when her parents had completed 18 years of marriage. So Seema was born 8 years after her parents' marriage, right? If three dices are tossed simultaneously, the number of elements in the resulting sample space is, तो ये ऑप्शन है, इसका सही आंसर है 216, ठीक है। तो करेक्ट आंसर है। एक्सप्लेनेशन देख लेते हैं। when three dices are tossed simultaneously, the total number of elements in the resulting sample space is 6 to the power 3. There are 6 values on a dice and there are three dices being tossed, right? Okay. Total elements in the resulting sample space is equal to that 216, right? Then question number 4 देख लेते हैं. A two-digit number is 4 more than 6 times the sum of its digits. If 18 is subtracted from the number, the digits are reversed. Find the number. यहाँ ऑप्शन है, देन आंसर है 64. लेट्स एक्स बी द एक्सप्लेनेशन देख लेते हैं. लेट्स एक्स बी द वंस डिजिट एंड वाई बी द टेंस डिजिट. अकॉर्डिंग टू द क्वेश्चन, एक्स प्लस 10y इक्वल टू 6 ब्रैकेट में एक्स प्लस वाई ब्रैकेट बंद प्लस 4. दैन देखते रहिएगा आप. एक्स प्लस 10y इक्वल टू 6x प्लस 6y प्लस 4. दैन 10y माइनस 6y इक्वल टू 6x माइनस x प्लस 4. दैन 4y इक्वल टू 5x प्लस 4. ये जो है हमने वन समीकरण बना दिया, ठीक है, एक इक्वेशन बना दी. इफ़ 18 इज सब्सट्रैक्टेड फ्रॉम द नंबर, द डिजिट आर रिवर्स. तो डिजिट को रिवर्स किया गया, इसलिए x प्लस 10y माइनस 18 इक्वल टू y प्लस 10x. दैन 10y माइनस y माइनस 18 इक्वल टू 10x माइनस x. 9y माइनस 18 इक्वल टू 9x. दैन 9 ब्रैकेट बंद y ब्रैकेट y माइनस 2 ब्रैकेट बंद इक्वल टू 9x. y माइनस 2 इक्वल टू x. दैन ये दूसरा समीकरण हो गया. Then substituting the value of x into equation 1, we get 4y is equal to 5 bracket y minus 2 bracket 1 plus 4. 4y is equal to 5y minus 10 plus 4. Okay, then क्या आएगा? 4y is equal to 5y minus 6, right? So y is equal to 6. Substituting the value of y into equation, we get equation 2, we get 6 minus 2 is equal to x. So x is equal to 4. So the number of is 64, right? Then question number 5 देखते हैं. Station A and B are 60 km apart on a highway. One truck starts from A and the another one from B at the same time. If they travel in the same direction, they meet in 6 hours. But if they travel towards each other, they meet in 1 hour. The speeds of the two trucks are respectively. Okay, then right answer is 35 and 25 किलोमीटर पर आवर, राइट. एक्सप्लेनेशन देखते हैं. डिस्टेंस इज इक्वल टू स्पीड इनटू टाइम, ये फॉर्मूला है. लेट द स्पीड ऑफ ट्रक ए एंड बी बी एक्स एंड वाई रिस्पेक्टिवली, ठीक है. देन एक्स माइनस वाई इज इक्वल टू 60 अपॉन में 6. देन एक्स प्लस वाई इज इक्वल टू 60 अपॉन में 1. x is equal to 35 km per hour and y is equal to 25 km per hour, right? Okay, question number 6. A man takes thrice the time of G2 to complete a piece of work, and G2 takes 5 times the time of Pawan to complete the same work. If they work together, then they can finish the work in 30 days. Find the time taken by them to complete the work individually. Okay, then correct answer is 570 days, 190 days and 38 days, right? Okay. तो एक्सप्लेनेशन देखते हैं. लेट द टाइम टेकन बाय पवन टू कंप्लीट द वर्क इज इक्वल टू x days. According to the question, time taken by G2 to complete the work 5x days. Time taken by Aman to complete the work 15x days. They work together and complete the work in 30 days. And 1 upon x plus 1 upon 5x plus 1 upon 15x is equal to 30. Right? 19 upon 15x is equal to 1 upon 30. Then x is equal to 38 days. Right? 5x is equal to 5 into 38 into 38 is equal to 190 days. Then 15x is equal to 15 into 38 is equal to 570 days. Okay. Aman, G2 and Pawan takes 570 days, 190 days, 38 days respectively to complete the work individually. क्वेश्चन नंबर 7 देखते हैं. इफ रुपीज़ 8,400 is divided among A, B and C in the ratio 1/5 ratio 1/6 ratio 1/10, what is the share of A? तो देखिए इसका आंसर आएगा 3,600. इसका करेक्ट आंसर है. तो एक्सप्लेनेशन देखते हैं. अकॉर्डिंग टू क्वेश्चन A B C, राइट, A अनुपात B अनुपात C, 1/5 अनुपात 1/6 अनुपात 1/10 into 30, right? Then 30 is LCM of 5, 6 and 10. Okay. A अनुपात B अनुपात C is equal to 6 अनुपात 5 अनुपात 3. Share of A is equal to 6/6 plus 5 plus 3 into my 8,400. Then 6/40 into my 400 upon 4,000 upon 4,800 or 6 into my 600 rupees 3,600, right? तो क्वेश्चन नंबर 8 देखते हैं. 3 smartphones are bought for rupees 4,800, then rupees 3,400 and rupees 4,550 respectively by Anil. Anil makes 20% profit on selling the first smartphone and 10% profit on the second smartphone and 10% on the third smartphone. Then find the total profit on by Anil. तो करेक्ट आंसर आएगा 1755, राइट. 1755 करेक्ट आंसर है. एक्सप्लेनेशन देख लेते हैं. गिवन 3 स्मार्टफोन्स आर बोट रुपीज़ 4,800, रुपीज़ 3,454 and rupees 4,550, right, respectively. Profit on the first smartphone, 20% profit on the second smartphone, 10% profit on the third smartphone, 10% profit. प्रॉफिट का फॉर्मूला देख लीजिए. प्रॉफिट इक्वल टू कॉस्ट प्राइस अपन 100 इंटू में प्रॉफिट परसेंट. ओके. Profit on first smartphone 4,800 upon 100 into 20 is equal to rupees आएगा 960. Profit on second smartphone आएगा 3,400 upon 100, then आएगा into 10 is equal to आएगा 340. Profit on third smartphone 4,550 upon 100 into 10 rupees आएगा 455. Total profit 960 plus 340 plus 455 equal to आएगा 1,755. So total profit is rupees 1,755. Okay. Then question number 9 देख लेते हैं. A tank has a leak which would empty the completely filled piston in 40 hours if the tank is full of water and a tap is opened, which admits 4 liters of water per minute in the tank. The leak now takes 60 hours to empty the tank. How many liters of water does the tank hold? करेक्ट आंसर आएगा 28,800. ओके. तो एक्सप्लेनेशन देख लेते हैं. गिवन डाटा है द let the total water holding capacity of piston be x liters. A leak which would empty the completely filled piston in 40 hours. Rate at which leak is taken place x upon 40 liter per hour. 1. Water is admitted by a pump at the rate of 4 liters by minute. Rate at which water is being admitted in piston is equal to 4 into 60. Rate at which water is being admitted in piston is equal to 240 liter per hour. Then ये second हो गया. When both process of leakage and water admission taken place simultaneously, resultant rate of water leakage x upon 40 minus 240 and ये 3 हो गई इक्वेशन. It takes 60 hours to empty the tanks with both actions take place simultaneously. So after 60 hours of time, water level in piston will be 0. Original water level, total water leakage after 60 hours is equal to 0. Then x minus 60 into my x upon 40 minus 240 is equal to 0. X minus 60 bracket x minus 9,000 bracket 1 upon 40 is equal to 0. Then 2x is equal to 3 bracket x minus 9600, 2x is equal to 3x minus 288, sorry 2000, 28,800. Okay, then x is equal to आ जाएगा 28,800 लीटर. क्वेश्चन नंबर 10 देखते हैं. द रेशो ऑफ एज सैलरी टू बी was 4:5. एज सैलरी is increased by 10% and B's by 20%. What is the ratio of their salaries now? 11:15. Correct answer, right? Then explanation. Let the salary of B be x. So salary of A is A upon x is equal to 4/5. Solving salary of A is equal to 4x upon 5. Now if salary of A is increased by 10%, the new salary of A is 4x upon 5 plus 4x upon 5 into my 10%. 0.8x plus 0.8x into my 10 upon 100. 0.8x plus 0.8x into my 0.1. 0.8x plus 0.08x 0.88x. Okay, new salary of B equal to x plus x into my 20%. Then is equal to आएगा x plus x into 20 upon my 100. X equal to x plus x upon my 5. 5x plus x upon 5. 6x on 5 is equal to 1.2x. Hence the ratio of their new salaries are A upon B is equal to 0.88x upon 1.2x. Equal to आएगा 0.88 upon 1.2 is equal to आएगा 0.88 into 100 upon 1.2 into 100. 88 upon 120, 22 upon 30, 11 upon 15. So the ratio is 11:15. क्वेश्चन नंबर 11 देख लेते हैं. The Delhi metro train covers a distance of 42 km in 80 minutes. What is the average speed of a train in kilometer per hour? तो राइट आंसर इज 31.5 किलोमीटर पर आवर. देन एक्सप्लेनेशन देख लेते हैं. अकॉर्डिंग टू द क्वेश्चन टोटल डिस्टेंस इज इक्वल टू 42 किलोमीटर, 42,000 मीटर. वी नो दैट एवरेज स्पीड इज इक्वल टू टोटल डिस्टेंस कवर्ड अपॉन टोटल टाइम टेकन. On substituting the value we have average speed 42,000 upon 80, then equal to आएगा 525 मीटर पर मिनट. ओके, दैट स्पीड इन किलोमीटर पर आवर 525 इंटू 60 अपॉन 1000 इक्वल टू आएगा 31.5 किलोमीटर पर आवर. देन क्वेश्चन नंबर 12 देख लेते हैं. फाइंड द रेट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट इन केस ऑफ कंपाउंड interest. Okay, compounded only if rupees 1384.5 were obtained on depositing rupees 5,000 for 2 years. 13%. Explanation. Let the rate of interest be P is equal to rupees 5,000. T is equal to 2 years. CL is equal to 1384.5. Then N equal to 1. CL is equal to P 1 plus R upon N NT minus P is equal to 5,000 1 plus R to power 2 minus 5,000 equal to 1,384.5. Okay, then आएगा 5,000 bracket 1 plus R की power 2 is equal to 1,384.5 plus 5,000 bracket 1 plus R की power 2, then 6,384.5. then 1 plus R की power 2 is equal to 6,384.5 upon 5,000 equal to 1.2769. then bracket 1 plus r bracket 1 equal to root 1.2769 is equal to 1.13. Then r is equal to 0.13 is equal to 13%. Then so rate of interest is 13%. Okay. Then question 13. In an examination, 60% of the students pass in the math and 70% of the students pass in science, but 20% failed in both of these subjects. If 2,500 students pass in both the subjects, then find the number of students who appeared at the examination. 5,000 correct answer. Okay, then explanation. Students pass in math 60%, student fail in math 100% minus 60% equal to 40%. Now student pass in science 70%, student fail in science equal to 100% minus 70% equal to 30%. Also 20% fail in both of these subjects. We solve such question using Venn diagram as shown below. Math हम देख सकते हैं साइंस 10%, math 20%, then 20% is mixed up. Okay, then students fail in at least one subject, or 20% plus 20% plus 10% equal to 50%. Minus percent both the subjects, 100% minus 50% equal to 50%. ATQs 50% is equal to 2500 students, then 100% equal to 2 into 2500 is equal to 5000 students. So the number of students who appeared at the examination 5000. A tradesman sold an article at a loss of 20%. If he sold it for rupees 100 more, he should have gained 5%. The cost price of the article was 400. Correct answer. Explanation. Let the cost price rupees x. ओके मान लेते हैं लॉस 20%, लॉस 20/100 लिख सकते हैं हम, इंटू एक्स कर देते हैं, इसकल टू आएगा x/5 आ जाएगा, राइट. ओके, देन नाउ सेलिंग प्राइस आ जाएगा कोस्ट प्राइस माइनस लॉस. ओके, ये फार्मूला होता है, इजकल टू x माइनस x/5. ठीक है, देन 4x/5 if selling price was rupees 100 more. Then after that we new selling price is equal to 4x/5 plus 100. Now profit equal to 5% of cost price. Profit 5/100 into x. Profit new selling price minus cost price. x/20 is equal to 4x/5 plus 100 plus 100 minus x. 20x minus 16x plus x/20 is equal to 100. 5x is equal to 2000, x is equal to rupees 400. 15. If 35% of a number is added to another number, then the first number becomes 98% of itself. What will be the ratio of first and second numbers? Correct answer is 100 ratio 63. लेट द फर्स्ट नंबर इज इक्वल टू एक्स मान लेते हैं, सेकेंड नंबर वाई मान लेते हैं एज पर द गिवन इंफॉर्मेशन. देन एक्स इंटू ब्रैकेट 35/100 ब्रैकेट 1 प्लस वाई इज इक्वल टू एक्स इंटू 98/100. ओके, देन वाई इज इक्वल टू एक्स इंटू ब्रैकेट 63/100 ब्रैकेट 1 रेसो एक्स रेसो वाई, then x ratio bracket 63x/100 bracket 1, then x ratio y is equal to 100 ratio 63. क्वेश्चन नंबर 16 देखते हैं. Among three numbers, the first is twice the second and thrice the third. If the average of three numbers is 506, then what is the difference between the first and the third number? 552 correct answer. Okay, it is given that the first is twice the second and the thrice the third. Let the first number be 6x. Therefore, according to the question, the second number is 3x and the third number is 2x. It is also given that the average of three number is 506. Therefore, average of the three numbers equal to 6x plus 3x plus 2x upon my 3. 6x plus 3x plus 2x upon my 3 is equal to 506. 11x is equal to 506 into 3 is equal to 1518, right? Then x is equal to आएगा 1518 upon my 11 is equal to 138. Now the difference between first and third number is equal to 6x minus 2x is equal to 4x equal to 4 into 138 is equal to 552. देन आज के लिए इतना ही। ऐसे ही वीडियो के लिए हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए, लाइक कीजिए। थैंक यू।